Welcome to Math Practice. Today we are going to discuss the fourth chapter of class 9, which is linear equations in two variables. So watch the video till the end and subscribe to Math Practice. Now some important concepts. An equation of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers such that a, b are not both 0, is called a linear equation in two variables. Now where is it used? For example, if the total cost of 4 pencils and 5 pens is rupees 62, and if the cost of one pencil is rupees x and that of one pen is rupees y, then it can be expressed as 4 into x plus 5 into y is 62, or 4x plus 5y minus 62 is equal to 0. So it is a linear equation in two variables x and y, where the constants are a is equal to 4, b is equal to 5 and c is minus 62. Now what is the solution of a linear equation? The solution of a linear equation in two variables is the values of x and y which satisfy the given equation. For example, in the above equation 4x plus 5y is equal to 62. If I put x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 10, then the equation is satisfied. I will get 4x plus 5y is 62. Hence 310 is a solution of the given equation. Next point, we know that every linear equation in one variable has a unique solution. For example, 5x is equal to 10. It is an equation in one variable, so x is equal to 10 by 5 or 2. So only one unique solution is possible. But a linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. Like in the above case, we just now saw 310 is a solution. But suppose if I put the value of x as 8 and the value of y as 6, then also the equation will be satisfied. Then also I will get 4 into x plus 5y is equal to 62. So that is another solution. In this way, by taking different values of x, you can get different values of y. They satisfy the given equation. So a linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. The graph of a linear equation of two variables will be a line. Hence, every point of the graph of the linear equation in two variables is a solution of the linear equation. Every point on that line, suppose we had the line 4x plus 5y is equal to 62. So, every point on that line will be a solution of the given linear equation. Also, every solution of the linear equation is a point on the graph of the linear equation. That means if I take in the above case say 310 or 8, 6, both the points will lie on the graph of the equation 4x plus 5y is equal to 62, which is a line. Also remember the graph of equation x is equal to a. Suppose if I take x is equal to 5. It is a straight line parallel to y-axis. That is very obvious. If you suppose for example I have x is equal to 5, it will pass through x is equal to 5 and for different values of y it will be a line parallel to the y-axis. And the graph of equation y is equal to a will similarly be a straight line parallel to the x-axis. What will be the equations of x and y-axis? The equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0 and the equation of y-axis will be x equal to 0. An example. Find three solutions for the following linear equations. The first equation given is minus 4x plus 3y is equal to 12. We know that any linear equation in two variables will have infinitely many solutions. From that, we just need to find any three solutions. So, different people can get different answers for these type of questions. Very easy technique is first you put x is equal to 0 and get the value of y, then you take y equal to 0 and get the value of x. So 2 points you will get very easily. If we put x equal to 0 in the above equation, 3y will be 12, so y will be 4. And if we take y equal to 0, minus 4x will be 12, which gives x as minus 3. So we have obtained two solutions. For the third solution, by trial and error from the given equation, it is very obvious that if you take x as 3, you will get 3y is equal to 24. Take values such that the y value is a multiple of 3. So, 3y is equal to 24 or y equal to 8. Hence 0, 4, minus 3, 0 and 3, 8 can be the solutions. Next example, 2 by 3x minus y equal to 4. Again, if x is 0, y is minus 4, and if you take y equal to 0, simplifying you will get x equal to 6. For the third solution, since you have y, make y as subject of formula, so y is equal to 2 by 3x minus 4. So take a value of x which is a multiple of 3. So you will easily get an integer value for y. So if x equal to 3, y will be equal to minus 2. Hence 0 minus 4, 6, 0 and 3 minus 2 can be the solutions of the above equation. Next example. Check which of the following are solutions of the equation 2x minus y equal to 6 and which are not. First one is 2 minus 2. That means if I put x equal to 2, do I get the value of y as minus 2? Yes. If we take x equal to 2, y is equal to 2x minus 6 will give you y as minus 2. So 2 minus 2 is a solution. Second one, root 3 and 0. Now here it is easy that we put y equal to 0. If we put y equal to 0 and make x as subject of formula, do we get x as root 3? No, we get x as 3. So root 3, 0 is not a solution. Third case, half and minus 5. If we take x equal to half, y is equal to 2x minus 6 gives y as minus 5. So it is a solution. Another type of important example. Find the value of k if x is minus 1, y is equal to 2 is a solution of the equation 3x plus 4y is equal to k. So now it is given that x is minus 1 and y is equal to 2. Put it in the equation 3x plus 4y equal to k. What will you get the value of k? K is equal to 5. Next one, find the values of k if x is equal to 1, y equal to 6 is a solution of the equation 8x minus ky plus k square equal to 0. Remember, this is a linear equation because x and y are linear. So 8x minus ky plus k square, in that you put x is equal to 1 and y equal to 6. So what do we get? We get 8 minus 6k plus k square equal to 0. So we just factorize it. Minus 6k can be written as minus 4k minus 2k. So this gives k minus 2 into k minus 4 equal to 0. Or the values of k are 2 and 4. Next example. Give any two examples of lines passing through the point 2, 14. How many such lines can be drawn? Now you have a point which is 2, 14. You have to give examples of lines passing through the point. Now we know that through a single point, infinitely many lines can pass. So everyone can get again a different answer here. Now as x is equal to 2, y equal to 14, first line we can get is very easily by looking at the values. 7 into x minus y, that means 14 minus 14 is equal to 0. That is one line. Second line is 10x, that means 20 minus 14, which is 6. So 6 minus 6 is 0. So another equation of the line is 10x minus y minus 6 equal to 0. Third linear equation which can pass through the given point can be x plus y minus 16 equal to 0. X plus y is 16. So 16 minus 16 is 0. So x plus y minus 16 equal to 0. There are infinitely many lines passing through a point 2, 14. Now some assignment examples. Write each of the following equations in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0 and indicate the values of a, b and c in each case. Simple examples are given. The first case is 7x minus 5 is equal to 2y. You just have to write in the form of 7x minus 2y minus 5 equal to 0 and get the values. Similarly, 5 such examples are given. Second case, write 4 solutions for each of the following equations. Again over here, everyone can get different answer, but you know the easy way is first by putting x equal to 0, then by putting y equal to 0, and then by taking different values of x, we can get the different values of y. So you have to write 4 solutions for the following equation. First equation is pi x plus y equal to 9. And the second equation is x is equal to 4y. Third example, if x is equal to 2k minus 1, y is equal to k, is a solution of the equation 3x minus 5y minus 7 equal to 0. Find the value of k. We have done a similar example. K is 10. Fourth one, if the point A2 lies on the graph of linear equation 2x minus 3y plus 8 equal to 0, find the value of A. Again over here, put the value of the point in the equation and you will get the value of A as minus 1. Fifth one, write the equation of a line passing through the point 3, 5 and parallel to x-axis. We have seen that parallel to x-axis means your equation will be of the form y equal to a. So over here y is equal to 5 will be the required equation. In case of any query, please put in the comment section. Hope linear equation in 2 variables is clear. Please like and share the video and subscribe to Math Practice.